Hi, Adam Sweet here. The Mandocello is basically a mandolin that is tuned an octave and a fifth below the regular standard mandolin. So instead of a low G, as you would find on a mandolin, you're going to have a low C. But it's 8 notes below, or an octave below that. So it's a very low instrument. It's not the lowest of the mandolin family. That would be the mando bass, but it's just one step above that in terms of its range. You can play any style of music on the mandocello. Mostly, we're going to see it in classical music like orchestras, string quartets, things like that. But you can also see or hear mandocellos in Celtic music, in rock, in folk music of all kinds. Even bluegrass bands have mandocellos. So if you already play mandolin, it's not terribly difficult to branch out to the mandocello. The primary difference between the mandolin and the mandocello is the distance between the frets. As you can see, it's quite wide. So yes, you do need a slightly larger hand or longer fingers than a standard mandolin, but most adults can easily play the mandocello. There isn't a lot of material in the classical music world specifically written for mandocello, so we often end up playing music that was written specifically for violoncello, uh, and that's fine. All you've got to do is be able to read the bass clef. Now, having said that, a lot of standard mandocello orchestra parts are actually written in the alto clef. So if you can read the mandola part, then reading the cello part will be more easy for you. If you'd like to sign up for mandocello lessons, text me at 413 213 5767. Thank you very much for watching.